It's me, and I was about to show you my game boards. I hope you guys are really excited to see them. Alright, let's get started. First one is Connect 4. The rules of the game is you gotta win by 4 each. You do it in a way like in a cross, up and down, and diagonal. In chips you see here is yellow and red. Sometimes Connect 4 has yellow, red, and blue. Ooh, but that's how they design it. Alright, next one. Alright, next one. Uno. The rules of the game of Uno is each player had to put down the card, but that has the same number or color. If you get the wild card, you gotta change the color. But if you get the two but plus with it, then the player who has the next turn can draw a 2. 2 means pick 2 more cards. If you get 4 and somehow a wild card, then the person who has the next turn had to pick up 4 more cards. And the player who has the card pick the color. And finally, the person who has 2 cards and put on one, and we have 1 more card left, you gotta say Uno. And if you have the last card left, and the card had the same color, number, and what color and number you have right there, you win the Uno game. Next one is Sorry. The rules of the game is each player with 4 player pieces had to be at the start. Now let's talk about the slide. You only allowed to slide if you land on the slide, but with the same color. If you move backwards, but on the slide, you can still slide back. And you still go on. Now for the 4. You could choose only one for the moving 4. You either move the player's pawn back to the start, or go ahead and move 4. Alright. Next one is the 7s. You either go and move 7 whole, or you split. Let's just say 1 plus 6 equals 7, or 2 plus 5 equals 7. 7, or 3 plus 4 equals 7. 4 equals 7. And that's how. So use these equations to help you split the 7. Alright. Now for a 10. You either move backwards 10, or backwards 1. Backwards 1. But you gotta make a wise choice, or else you'll lose the game. Or won't win the game. Now for the 11. You could either move 4 or 11, or you change place with an opponent. But you cannot change place with an opponent at start, safety zone, or home. If the player already wins. Now for move backwards 4. If you move, let's just say, if you move 1 pawn pawn at 1 spaces, then you had the card that has move backwards 4, then that makes use the safety to win the game. To make safety to win the game. But you cannot, even though you are far away from home, and you choose backwards 4, you still have to move. You still have to move. Still to move. Make the move. Whoever players get 3 pieces onto home wins the game. And that's the rules of the game. Sorry. Alright. And wait, one more thing. When you get that number, and also when you add the safety zone, you gotta make sure you gotta get the amount that reaches to home. If you get farther than that, then you cannot move. If you get got Leicester, you got a number that's less than 5, then you still have to make the move. Still have to make the move. Alright. Alright, and that's the rules of SAR. Next one is headbands. It's kind of an easy game, but to get what I've seen is hard. The player has to like give hints like the question of it. Let's just say is it an animal? Is it a food? Is it a thing? You gotta use these questions. If you choose one, then you choose the question from the category. If you choose the question, let's say, is it healthy? Is it a food? Is it healthy? Is it healthy? Then you wouldn't guess it. However, though, Dad, I mean, there is some things that goes for the same questions as in the category. But if you choose the best one, guess the best one, then you win. If you don't guess it, but in about like seconds, actually 60 seconds, then you either like keep the card or can get it, then you'll like get another one. Or after the player's turn. And the player who doesn't, player has to say yes or no is player or in guess has it. Alright. We guys know the game of headbands, so I'm going to put this on top. I don't know about these games, so I had to make this. So I'm going to make this quick. My mom brought this Ziggity, so it's fun to play. The game Yahtzee, it's like you use the dice and let's just say like fake score shout the game and where that is. And Cranium it's kind of like an old boring game, but my most friend will play it one day. And finally, This is Jenga and checkers. For Jenga, you gotta stack the building at the top with 3 rows, horizontally, vertically. It's okay to do it vertically or horizontally. You can choose the best one. Choose whatever you want. Well, then you gotta take the one piece, but from the bottom, and put it on the top. If you pick the one piece, but the building falls, then you lose. For checkers, actually, you guys know what checkers is. Checkers, though. So I'm going to put this right here. Alright, that's all for games. All games that I had. And you guys get the rules. I hope you guys get the rules we had. Rules I just said. Alright. This is Nintendo Master 2005. Signing off.